What is up you guys, I'm back again with another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Ama J and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. So back in the day, I posted an IG story asking my friends to vote on creative makeup or glam makeup. So most of you guys have voted for glam makeup. So this week I'm gonna be doing a glam makeup, a soft glam makeup. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's get started.